Auto. I live in Brooklyn. If your car break down, you know to call. If your car break down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Hello, viewer. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you might be watching me from. KG, your boy, is back again. We have another one here. I have a 2017 Infiniti QX30. We're going to be doing transmission change. You know, quite often people do oil change in their car. I can tell you 80% of people that I know, they do oil change in their car. Maybe 20% do transmission change.
What?
But I'm gonna tell you, just like you do oil change in your car, that's the way you have to be thinking about doing transmission change also. If your car hit like 60,000 miles, 60 or 70,000 miles is a good time for you to do one. If you really love your car, because if you don't do it one day, the transmission is just gonna break down. But when you change the transmission fluid, you just give the car another 30, 40,000 miles. So I will advise you, whatever car you're driving, if you like taking care of your car, just like you like taking care of your woman, make sure when your car hits 60,000 or 50,000, change the transmission fluid. And if you want to do it, this one that I'm doing, make sure you get it from the dealer. Don't go to somewhere else and buy some cheap stuff. No. Transmission fluid is something that you do maybe 50, 60,000 miles. So it's better you buy a good one. So this one I'm doing today, this is what I'm using. Good transmission fluid from the dealer, not from China. You know, original one don't make in China.
Everything are not made in China.
So this vehicle uses 6 of this. I have 6 bottles. So I'm going to show you where you have to drain the transmission fluid and how you're going to refill it. Please stay tuned. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing. Support your boy in any way you can. It takes one to know one. It takes 2 to tango. We cannot be fruitful by ourselves. We all need each other to survive. You better believe that. Having said that, KG, let's go. We're getting it right now. Booyah.
Big Shirley. Hey girl, how you doing?
So I'm going to bring you underneath and show you where you're going to drill this transmission from, but make sure you have this tools. I bought this from AutoZone HW14. You got to have this. If you don't have that, don't think about doing anything. So let me bring this camera underneath and show you how we're going to get this done. Stay tuned. So this is where you have to drain the transmission from, right here. But like I said before, make sure you have that big tools right there. So I break it loose already. Just take your time, do like so. Sometimes there might be a washer underneath there, I don't know, but if there's none, it's all good. There, see, there was washer. See it right there? I just wanted to make sure it didn't drop. See, it's a very tiny washer. See, that was very clever, KG. If not, that thing would have dropped, then you don't even know that there's something is there. All right, so we're gonna allow it to drain down, then I'll bring you to the top and show you where you're gonna refill this. So this one, you have to refill it normally, so you don't have to use any pumping machine. So it's something anybody can do, even my grandma. All right, so while that is draining, I'll bring you guys back. Allow it to drain. KG, stay tuned. So right here, this is where we're gonna put the transmission flow. So Infiniti did something very good on this one. You know, it's not like sometimes the QX56. You have to, if you haven't seen me changing transmission flow on that, maybe you have to check it out. You know, you have to put the transmission through the bottom. But this one is very good. You just put your phone in and you put the transmission flow. So while the other one drain down, I'll allow it to drain a little bit, then I'll bring you guys and we'll put this and we're good to go. So after I finish draining, as you guys can see, still draining there. Just make sure you clean up this one right here. See, it has some little mess there. We'll clean that up, and we'll put the cover. All right, KG. All right, so now we can come put this back there. Just make sure that washer is still there. Don't lose it. Take your hand to thread it. Make sure you thread very well, just like so. And I'm gonna put this camera down so I can tie it properly, and I'll see you guys on top. All right, so now we can go ahead now and start to refill. So according to the service manual, this one used like 5 or 6. So we open it up just like so, and we'll pour it in just like so. Just push it like you pin. KG. Just press it like so. Boom, 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 boom. Bada boom, bada boom. See how clean the oil is? Clean. Make sure you have a good funnel so that you won't be dribbling all over. Well, we're doing good. Last one. Put that aside. Open up the second one. No, you can't park there. You can't park there, my friend. Park on the other side. Park on the other side. Don't want it to be close to the car. No. Park on the other side. The other side. Thank you. I need some space so that you don't scratch anybody's car. And this whole place will turn into a fiasco. And I'm working. I like to do my thing so that everybody go home happy. Oh, I opened this one completely. It's even better. I didn't even know you can even do that. Now we don't have to fight. Just pour it in. And very soft the whole thing. All right, no problem. We'll see you soon. Go and get your stuff while we're walking.
I can't remember.
Yeah, you just buy the oil, 5W30.
5W30.
You buy 6 quart. Don't buy STP oil. Buy mobile. Then you're good. Mobile. Yeah, mobile oil. You buy 6 quart.
6 plug.
6 quarts. 6.
Quarts.
Yeah, 6 quarts.
Okay.
Like this big one and one small one. Then you buy your filter. Then you're ready to go.
The one I get that will call you.
Yeah, you see, we're doing a video. We have to make the video look good. We can't speak African language. Huh? Yeah, of course you do. You don't have to call me. I'm doing video now. Anyway, that's pretty much it. And the cover, I will show you the cover. By the time you take it out, just make sure that you check if the O-ring is not missing. All right, KG, we'll see you on the other side. Stay tuned. All right, so just make sure, you see this, there's an O-ring here. Just make sure when you take off that cover, make sure you put it back in, okay? Yeah, KG, good afternoon, good morning. You have to buy your oil and oil filter 5W30, 6 quart. All right, so that's it. So that's it. You put the cover there. Let me show you the cover. So the cover is right there. Can you see it? Yep. I hope you can see it. Yeah. All right. So now we'll go inside and we'll start the car. We'll engage the gear. After you have put the oil, you just start the car. I'm talking to my audience now. You just start the car. So now you don't do anything. All you need to do, you just step on the brake on the car like so. Then you just engage the gear without moving. You just make sure it accelerates. You move it to drive. Then you move it back and then reverse. Then again and reverse, drive. You can hear it kicking there. Reverse. Then you can go to park now. Just like that. You do that, you circle it, the vehicle will be ready to jump on the road and give you another 60,000 miles. But having said that, KG, please subscribe and support your boy. That's the only thing you can do for me while I bring this video. The only thing you can do also for me is to subscribe so that YouTube can continue to show my video into a wide audience. Please be part of it. Be a part of my growth. I will really appreciate that when you do that. So until next time, I will see you on the next one. KG signing up. Peace. Love you all. I am gone. See, that's the way we do our video.